This video will demonstrate how to replace the default search engine that is used for WebHelp responsive output with a search engine powered by Oxygen Feedback. It represents a server-side alternative to the default client-side search engine embedded in WebHelp output, and it unlocks advanced search features to support complex queries and to generate more precise results. To configure Oxygen Feedback as an external search engine for WebHelp, you need to enable the content indexing functionality in the Oxygen Feedback admin interface. To do so, go to the settings page for the particular version that you want the default engine replaced. Scroll down to the content indexing and search section and click the edit button to expand it. The content indexing plays a critical role in the search process by serving as a map for Oxygen Feedback to help quickly and efficiently locate relevant content based on user queries. When it crawls the output, it indexes the content for each page, creating a searchable record of HTML content, and the index stores information about the content of each page, such as the text and title, as well as metadata, such as keywords and index terms. You need to select the checkbox to enable the content indexing functionality. You can then choose the language that the search engine will use for the indexing process. There's also an option to enable semantic search functionality. A semantic search is an advanced search technique that improves the accuracy and relevance of the search results by analyzing the context of the search query rather than relying solely on keyword matching. Note that semantic search functionality requires that you configure Oxygen Feedback to connect to OpenAI on your behalf. Details for how to do this can be found in our related video about the semantic search functionality. The link to that video can be found in the description. You then need to click Save to complete the configuration, and the indexing process is automatically triggered. The current status of the indexing process is displayed, and you can click the icon next to it to refresh the status. The status must be listed as ready before the functionality will be available in the output. There's also a re-index button that can be used to trigger an indexing on demand. Now we'll go to the corresponding WebHelp output to show the Oxygen Feedback search engine in action. The search results are ranked based on a complex algorithm used by the Oxygen Feedback search engine to determine the relevance of each page compared to the user's search query. The search engine computes scores for every result that matches the search criteria and uses this score to sort the search results and the ranking depending on the location and the number of occurrences of the search terms in the content. That concludes this tutorial about replacing the default search engine used in WebHelp responsive output with the Oxygen Feedback search engine. Thank you for watching, and don't miss the related videos listed in the description. As always, we also welcome your feedback and suggestions.